Hello, this is Al from Rack and Pull Industries. I want to talk to you just a little bit about Rack and Pull Industries. Rack and Pull Industries, we manufacture and sell motorcycle frame repair equipment and a measuring system for frame damage assessment and drivetrain alignment. And we also have a collision center here. That's what I want to talk about is the collision end of it. There isn't a collision repair season. There's no frame repair season. People are talking about riding season. Well, what do you do when it's not riding season? Well, you know what? Here it is at the end of January. My shop is packed. I got work coming in. I'm scheduling for weeks out. And I have work coming from all around the country. In fact, all around the world. I have a couple of bikes being shipped to me from even Norway. So there's motorcycles coming to me from all over because it's frame repair. It's a necessity in this industry. There is a thing with the manufacturer saying, hey, you know what? We don't recommend frame repair at all. We just don't recommend it. Well, that's fine. They have shareholders to answer to. They have to sell motorcycles. So when you go into that dealership, they got to sell bikes, no matter what. That's what they want to do. That's their main purpose, is to sell motorcycles. I'm a small businessman, and most of you shop owners out there, you guys are small business owners as well. And you guys, we're all in this because of a passion for motorcycles that we have. And that's what we do. We have a passion for motorcycles. That's part of what drives us. Plus, we like to make a small profit doing it. So now, what we have here is the rack. Now, as I said earlier, they were saying there's a manufacturer, some manufacturers say we don't recommend frame repair. Well, back in the 1970s, in the early 70s, I was an apprentice body man. I was just a kid. And it was different in those days. They had, the cars were different. Everything was different in the 70s. They had big steel or metal dashboards and chrome ornamental horn pieces, and that stuff would impale you. It would injure you. And and in those days, when a car got in an accident, the insurance company would come out and say, "Oh, geez, it's got frame damage. It's going to be a total loss." They had no way of repairing them back in those days. And then they came out with frame racks, and they came out with different measuring systems. And now, and then they had specialty shops. So if there was any kind of frame repair, they would have to go to a specialty shop. Well, now all body shops, they have frame repair equipment and measuring systems. So in those days, in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, when an insurance company came out to a shop, they said, "Hey, we're here to look at a car," and the shop goes, "Oh, it's over here. We're going to get ready to repair it." The insurance company goes, "Well, no, you can't. You have no way of validating frame damage or not, or even repairing frame damage on this vehicle. We're not going to allow you to repair it because you can't do it. You can't validate frame damage." Well, let's jump forward to 2020, and let's go to the motorcycle industry. Let's face it, there's lots of motorcycle accidents. It's an unfortunate part of our lifestyle. It happens. When it does, and it goes to a motorcycle shop, how are they going to validate frame damage or not? They don't have the straight shooter. They don't have the rack to repair the motorcycle frames. And motorcycle frame repair, if done properly, it's a solution to totaling a motorcycle and then losing a customer or losing your motorcycle. Frame repair is a necessity in this industry now. And here at Rack and Pull Industries, when somebody buys the complete Rack and Pull system, a training and certification program comes with it. Frame repair is just as safe as rebuilding a motorcycle if it's done properly. The same thing with rebuilding a motorcycle. If it's done the correct way, it's not going to break down on the freeway. Motorcycle is, if it's done properly, for frame repair, it's going to handle great. Probably even better than the factory. They're saying, well, you know what, we're afraid some people are saying, well, if you do frame repair, the frame could crack, the frame could break. Listen, I've been doing this for well over 12 years now, and I've never cracked a frame doing a frame repair. I've had them come to me with cracks in it, we've had to repair them, but it's not like the frame's going to just break on the freeway. If it didn't crack during the accident, and it didn't break during the accident, it's not going to crack or break during the repairs. It's not going to be weak, it's going to be strong. Here at Rack and Pull Industries, we guarantee our motorcycle frame repair as long as you own that motorcycle. So there isn't a frame repair season. Motorcycle frame repair is year-round. During the riding season, it's unfortunate, but things happen. People go down, they want their bikes repaired. People during the riding season, they get out there and they have handling issues on their motorcycle. They want that motorcycle to handle great. They want to be able to hit the curb, the corners and the turns. They want a good ride. Well, that's what the straight shooter's for. It will help align your motorcycle. So, and then in the wintertime rolls around, here we are in January, and my shop is packed. There's people sending me bikes from everywhere. So, motorcycle frame repair does not have, it's not seasonal, it's year round. So, I just wanted to touch on all of that stuff about the rack and the straight shooter, and let you guys know that when you do purchase it, there is a training and certification program, and these bikes will be safe. They're going to be handling better than before. It's great. It's a great addition to any shop. And that's all I wanted to say. So you have a good ride, and I look forward to seeing you on the road.